Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know how much free space you have and back up anything irreplaceable. Once done, open Disk Cleanup as administrator, choose C, and let it analyze. This identifies temporary files, recycle bin items, and update leftovers. Make sure to check Cleanup System files to include Windows updates. You delete safe categories first, temporary files and recycle bin, because they free space quickly and reduce risk while you prepare deeper actions. You now move into detailed removal. Open Settings, go to Apps and Features, and uninstall programs you no longer use. This reclaims large folders and registry entries. Next, inspect downloads and documents, sort by size, delete, or move big files to backup. Once comfortable, enable Storage Sense to automate temp cleanup or run a trusted cleaner to remove caches. Make sure to review what will be removed before confirming, because irreversible deletions can cost you. You finish by optimizing and verifying results. Run defragment and optimize for HDDs to improve layout. If you have an SSD, skip defrag and trim instead. Then check system restore points and virtual memory, delete old restore points, or adjust page file size if necessary. Once done, confirm free space and reboot. If you still see low space, run a tool like WinDiarstat to locate hidden large files. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure no large log or temp folder is stuck by
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.